This is going to be a cake recipe for life. Stay tuned and I'll tell you more. Everybody likes to make cake or cookies or their pies or whatever baked goods they have a little bit differently. You first have to start out with flour, but I use organic whole wheat flour. Some people just use regular flour. I also like to add a little bit of natural almond flour, and some people don't. Of course, you have to have sugar, and again, I like to use organic sugar, and then I use organic light brown sugar. Some people like to use dark brown sugar. You have to have a little bit of vanilla for chocolate chip cookies, and of course, you have to have butter. You need eggs, and I like to use free-range organic brown eggs. And here's just another type of organic white flour. If you don't want to use the whole wheat flour, you can use the organic white flour. And then, of course, you need some baking soda, baking powder. And if you want to sweeten things up, you need to have chocolate chips or any kind of chips. You might like Reese's peanut butter chips. You might like white chocolate chips. You might not like to have chips at all. You might like to have a totally different type of cake or cookie. Here's where I'm going with this. Every recipe is individual for you. Whatever it is that you want to do in life, it's your recipe. You can't look at somebody else's life and try to use the exact ingredients they have because you have a different set of circumstances. So let's look at cake, the word cake. C is for clarity. Become clear on what it is that you want to do. Again, don't worry about what anybody else wants. This is your recipe. Just worry about what it is that you want. Become real clear. The letter A is for awareness, becoming aware of what it is that you really want in life. For example, I want to lose 10, 20, 30, 40 pounds, but I'm still eating fast food every day. I am self-sabotaging. K is for knowledge. If you want to be a wood carver, let's say, and you never investigate how to carve wood, become knowledgeable about your craft, about what it is that you really want to do and what you really want to accomplish in life. You can Google things on the internet nowadays. You can ask people. You can follow people on social media who are doing exactly what you want to be doing. Become knowledgeable. Investigate. And E is for environment. Here it is, you guys. If you don't want to gain weight, but you're eating fast food every day, you're drinking sodas every day, and your environment, you're surrounding yourself in an environment that's not conducive to what your goal is, it's not going to happen. Probably not. So become aware of not only your environment, but the people you surround yourself with as well, because we know about energy or emotional vampires. People where you walk into a room and it just makes you feel bad about yourself. Do you know what I'm talking about? You just don't feel right around those types of people. Or maybe it's a work environment or a home environment, a health environment. Think about how you feel. Get clear on your vision. Become aware if you're self-sabotaging. Become more knowledgeable about what it is that you want to do. I'm going to add one more E, so it's C.A.K.E. Make an effort. You can have this recipe set out in front of you. Write down the steps that you need to take. If you don't make an effort, it's probably not going to happen. Hope this video has helped you. Until next time, make sure you do something healthy and happy for you. Thanks for watching.